What's up, social media family? Thanks for watching. I'm here to bring you another video that is going to be focused on passive and proactive income when it comes to working from home. If you're looking for an opportunity that works, you want to make sure that you pay close attention. I'm going to be sharing with you some valuable information that you don't want to miss. Today, I want to focus on offline income opportunities. This business that I was introduced to, I received my information and it has really blessed me because it gave me an option on how to make money without the use of the internet. So for those that are afraid or a little bit intimidated by how the internet or works, or how you feel that you're not technical to succeed, this is something for you. Anybody that's able to put a stamp on a letter and mail and put in the mailbox, this is something that you can do. I'm on my blog spot, which is digitalfranchisestatus.blogspot.com, and you can also check out my other postings here, because I give a lot of information to help you as I make note of my journey. And I wanted to create a timeline so that you can see when I started and where I'm going and when I have arrived, so that you won't say that, oh, I missed out. So this is just information for you to view. I'm not holding back anything. There's no secrets to business. You must have the right tools to succeed. So I feel that I should be sharing with you what I'm using and what works for me. This business is called, let me pull up on our flyers here. It's called Cash in the Box. This information that I'm sharing with you is not necessarily a guarantee unless you put in the work and the effort that you will make money. There is action that you must do in order to make money. And if you utilize the tools, if you take action, if you stay consistent, even if you have questions, this is here for you. It's already set up, and all you have to do is mail this particular flyer out. We have different levels that you can come in at. You can do this and earn 50 to 100 to 200 to 300 to 500 and even 1,000 daily payments right directly to your mailbox. And you can do this from the comfort of your home. So this is one of the flyers that if you decide that you want to take that step and do something different and create an income stream offline, you can utilize this proven flyer to make money. And all you have to do is just follow the instructions on this flyer, mail to these two selections, this being to the admin and this being to me, and put your address, phone number, and email address, your contact information, and put your payment in the form of a money order in the mail and send it out. You are able to receive your marketing package, which includes everything you need to start your offline direct mail business. Now, direct mail business, this is not something that's new. This has been around for years. This is just a proven flyer that has been created by the owner of the business, and I want to say shout out to her, Miss Andy. She's been a blessing to me in helping me, show me the way. And this information that I have here is just a drop in the bucket of what you can do when it comes to offline marketing. Now, you may say, I'm not a marketer. This flyer does it all for you. All you're responsible for doing is mailing it out We have leads that you can that comes with this as well, and that you can continue to purchase more supplies if you want to continue to do this business. This is a one-time fee. This is not a monthly fee that you have to keep up with. If you want to continue to build your business, you can do so at your own will. This is one of the flyers. There's another flyer that at the level that you come in at, you can receive, which is the $100 flyer. I'm going to scroll up to the top so you can see. I will be able to send this to you if you desire to get started with this business to your email. If you want a copy of this to print out, you don't have to wait on this to come in the mail to you, but this is something that I am doing to earn extra income, and you can do the same. I'm going to go over to my YouTube channel just to share with you. I do have other videos on file. If you want to make sure that you have watched these videos so that you can get information on what's going on, and like I said, I have testimonials here just to show you how I got started and why I got started. Basically, I was looking for something new that will actually help me earn without that will be convenient for other people to use and earn money as well. A lot of people may not necessarily know how to maneuver on the internet, but anyone can mail out a letter and put a stamp on it. So this is the information. Make sure you check out these videos. We have training. I have in-depth information about Cash in a Box that you don't want to miss. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Hit the notification bell. When you search on YouTube, type in Coach Sir Zamar and you'll be able to find me. I'm also on Instagram. I'm on Twitter. I also have an email. You can reach out to me at coachsirzamar@gmail.com. And my website, of course, you can type in millennialstatusincome.com. And that's just a timeline of different information showing you that you can do this. This is not my only stream of income. If you want to build, this can be a starter point for you, because Cash in a Box is easy to do. The owner of the company has pretty well structured this business so that you can be able to share this and advertise this to others and not worry about not having a opportunity to offer. Because a lot of times the people are concerned about marketing or joining different businesses because they feel that, oh, it may not necessarily be legit, or it may not be something that is believable, but this is something that you can do. Our team members are making money, sometimes $50 to $500 to $1,000 per payment, and that's something that's life-changing for those that are looking for more money to come into their household. I am expecting a $50 check from Andy, the owner of the business. She reached out to me and let me know that I had a payment coming, and I was like, oh, okay, well, you know, how did this happen? It happened because I consistently was advertising. I was utilizing just simple attraction marketing to build my business and get my face out there so people can see that this is something that's real. So if you want that same training, if you want that same chance to earn, connect with us. We are professionals that will be able to help you earn. Just reach out to me if you're interested. I will gladly send over a digital copy of this, one of the flyers, for you to get started. Like I said, you don't have to wait to get it in the mail. If you're concerned about whether or not you can do this or not, we do have a website that you can check out, and it will have more information for you to view if you have questions about what this company is. Let's see if it will come up for me. CashInTheBox.net, and you can pull up all the information here. There is a short video explaining the company, and basically there's details of what this business and how it originated. It's a 2-level direct mail and offline flyer program, an online flyer program that is so simple, basically anyone can do it. You don't have to worry about whether or not this is something that you have to have an education or a degree to do. It's nothing like that. It's very simple. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. I want to thank my viewers for watching. Make sure that you check out more of my videos. Like I said, I have a listing here about Cash in a Box, so you don't miss out about how this works. And that's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching. Like I said, if you need anything, I'm here to help you. I'm here to coach you and get you started on the right track. Remember to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, be blessed, and remember, invest your life.